Home Depot. Morning, we're early because my husband's getting, we need some blow tape. We don't have any more blow tape, and yeah, we need it. I don't even shower yet. No shower yet. And I'm vlogging. But I'm looking around if there's people. There's no blow tape. There's no blow tape over here. You don't need that?
I do.
Oh, that's the one you're looking. You have one of that.
They're under the freezer.
Oh, downstairs, right?
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. It's everything is smooth. Look, everything is smooth from here to that. Everything is a mess because this refrigerator is bad, so we're going to take this out. And my husband and Rich, you know, his friend, help him pick up the refrigerator from Long Island, and he bring it here. It's a good thing because he has a truck and we don't have one. Oh, nice. That's nice, Rich.
Well, I didn't really think of it for this year. I was thinking of something else. But they work out fine now. Alright. We can raise this up. Just be careful. You got your... We can raise it up and take a 16-pounder and spread that door a little bit.
Hi guys, it's very late. It's already 7 o'clock in the afternoon. My husband and my husband's friend it's been moving refrigerator, doesn't fit, so we're gonna bring the other refrigerator to our new house and take it out and do it, and then get the other refrigerator in the basement and bring it upstairs, and everything is a mess. And we started this like what time, hon? Like 11 o'clock in the morning, something like that. 11 something o'clock in the morning. My husband broke everything in the...
Oh, we had to get it in there, and then it didn't work anyway.
We're supposedly be already there, but
Should have been there a long time ago.
we have to slow down. So he's going to follow us. Oh, thank you, Miles. I received a comment from Miles. Thank you for subscribing and for watching my video. And you're from Baltimore, Maryland. How's Baltimore? And we're not really that far. Baltimore and New York is not really far. It's pretty close, right? It's pretty close. We have stuff in the back, and my husband is doing the heater in the car, and we have the steak in the back. Watch out!
Plug my phone.
Okay.
You gotta plug the iPhone first.
Yes, I know what is that.
Otherwise it won't charge.
I know.
And then plug the other one.
You want me to charge his iPhone first. Okay, it's plugged. It's charging, and it's charging. So it's crazy, guys. Every time my sister-in-law is in the house, it's fun. I mean, it's crazy
She
fun.
don't get rattled. And what's going on? She's like, oh, that's no problem. We'll do this.
Yeah,
She don't care.
she's fun to be with. She is like always on the go. She have too much energy. You have to keep up with her. She's older than me. Of course, she's a little older than me. A little, not a lot. But she have...
She's a lot older than you.
Okay, whatever. But she have a lot of energy. She have more energy than I have. It's crazy, and I have to keep up with her. If I stop, I feel really like, what the heck are you stopping for?
That's because she works out all the time.
Yeah. So we clean up whatever we need to clean up because it's really a mess, the house. I don't even start vlogging there because it's crazy. And she's staying with my mother-in-law tonight until tomorrow. And the refrigerator is not gonna be good. But we're moving anyway. So what? Were you planning to live there for 2 years more? Well, it's not gonna be good because you know when we're cooking, we know you always cook. Plus, if we buy extra, we use that refrigerator for extra stuff. So it's a big thing. It's a big bus, guys. And it's very hot, hon. Now, hon.
Not to get the richest thing out of it.
What's out? Careful, hon.
Put it on the mom's car. Look.
It is very nice, guys. The sun is down. Just get here. I'm freaking starving already. Starving. Upstairs, checking up.
This is a really nice family home, you know?
What do you think? Like it?
Your activity club, though.
What?
All of these side jobs and baloney, that's gotta go. Here's the master guy. So he
vlogging.
does, huh?
It's okay, I'm vlogging. What?
Oh, so he works and comes home and that's it. That works, then goes to another job and then.
Yeah. So.
Holy moly! What is this, another living room? It's an
Magic cloud, which is like a bedroom.
And.
Hey, can I rent that off you?
This one actually has a shower and a jacuzzi. I figured we tried it at Susie's Twilight Restaurant, but apparently they're closed on Monday. We checked them on the way here. Because we don't know anything around here.
Yeah, well, why would you?
This is what I picked. This
Yeah,
is what
just
I
one.
like. And our friend Rich want a steak. Oh, steak. You want a
Burger.
burger. Oh my god.
No, the classic bacon burger.
Okay.
Want a soup?
So we're just done, guys. We are going home and yeah.
Think that's stupid though.
And we have this little thing over here. It's pork ribs. Let my husband open the door. You go to the front. Okay, thank you, hon. Am I the only one sleepy when you're full?
Yeah, no.
Everywhere.
Doing his gas, guys. It's very late and we're all tired, especially these two guys. They're very tired and I feel bad for my husband because when we go to bed, there's no bed. When we go to the floor, we go to bed to the floor. I'm gonna let him borrow that thing. I know he won't let me, but I feel bad for our friend also because he's still going to. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to check and see if they got eggs in there?
Eggs?
So you need eggs, right?
Yeah, you said you're going in there.
What?
You said you are going in there, you said.
Anything else you want for there?
That's it, nothing else. That's it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nothing else you need?
Huh?
Nothing else you need?
Nothing. I forget I don't have eggs anymore. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I feel bad for our friend because he is going to back to Long Island and it's gonna be a long drive. It's gonna be like 2.5 hours, almost gonna be 3 hours driving. That's crazy. I feel bad for him though. They're not even take the refrigerator out, the one that my husband got, because it won't fit in the other house. So we brought it here and It doesn't even out yet from our friend's truck. So that means they still have to do that when we get there to the house. Ay, gee. We have to load whatever's in the car also. What time is it? Almost 12 o'clock. We're in the basement right now. We're trying to fix this door to get in the refrigerator, and everything is broken. Look, gets separated, and this basement anyway, guys, is empty, big, but need to be done. It's unfinished basement, and we have to go up now. And I'll need to bring this thing. Huh? Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going upstairs because I'm really sleepy, tired since this morning. Can you see my eyes? It's red. My eyes is red. Our friend left already. He just left. It's freezing cold out basement. It's nice up here. I'm gonna call it a night. It's morning already, so I'm going to say good night. And yes, it's over here. It's right here. So I will call it a night, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. It's bed time now. Hi Aurora, Xiangzon. Enjoy your vacation in the Philippines, and I would like to shout out Aurora's sister, Jima Xiangko. Hi Jima Xiangko, thank you for watching. I'm under the blanket. Final good night, guys. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.